Adam here at the Digital Gojo Showroom. In this video, we're going to do an unbox overview of the brand new EOS R from Canon with the 24-105. Stay tuned. When you buy this camera kit from Digital Gojo, you're going to get a whole array of useful accessories. Digital Gojo selects only the highest quality products for their bundles, and in fact, all these items are top sellers on Amazon. If you're interested in buying this camera kit, please click on the link below. All right, so let's head over to the studio to see what Canon provides you with the brand new EOS R mirrorless camera. All right, so here we have the Canon EOS R with the 24-105mm f4 IS USM lens. Let's see what Canon provides inside the box. The first thing you're going to see is the warranty card. Now this is guaranteed for service in the US and Canada. Digital Gojo is an authorized US dealer. Next you're going to see the LPE6N battery. This is the battery that's going to power the camera. It's similar to the one found in the 5D Mark IV. You have your full instruction manual. I really recommend going through it, getting familiar with all the features of the EOS R camera. Next, you have the USB-C cable. This is a new style cable for Canon cameras. It's the first time a Canon camera will use a USB-C cable. Next, you have the charger. This is the LCE6. Again, similar charger to the one for the 5D Mark IV. If we pull off this plastic, now you're going to see that Canon has provided you with a lens hood for your 24-105. It's a bayonet style, tulip pedal style. You have a lens pouch to keep your lens protected. Canon also provides you with a standard shoulder strap. And here's the star of the show, the EOS R. This is Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera. Here's the body, here's how it looks like, and here's the 24-105mm f4 ISL USM lens. All right, so let's head back over to the studio and check out all the specifications of the camera, lens, and the kit. The Canon EOS R features a 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for high-resolution stills and video. It also features the Digic 8 processor. This is going to give you the ability to shoot at ISOs at up to 40,000 natively. It also has the ability to shoot continuously at up to 8 frames per second to capture fast-moving objects. The autofocus on the EOS R is incredibly fast. It has 5,655 autofocusing points when using the cross keys. You have dual pixel AF, which can be found on a lot of the Canon cameras to date. This gives you incredible movie servo AF features. Since it has a flip out touchscreen, you have the ability to do rack focusing by simply touching the elements in the scene. Now you have control over the tracking speed, focusing speed, and you can set the AF for face detect tracking. Now for low light photography, this is a beast. This can focus down to -6 EV when used with a 1.2 lens. Okay, so when you first pick up the EOS R, it's going to feel more like a DSLR camera than a mirrorless camera, which kind of separates it from some of the other cameras that are out on the market. It's lightweight, but it's durable. It has weather seals around all the critical portions of the camera. You have a 3.69 million dot OLED display, which is bright, it's easy to see, it has fast response time, so minimal blackout. I also like, because of the size, I like to carry it with the Altura photo wrist strap. It's a great pair, so it's great for shooting all day. The camera features a flip out and swivel touchscreen that's 3.15 inches, 2.1 million dots. It's great for vloggers and videographers. Also, photographers are going to like it because you can get very creative with your shots. You have the capability of doing touch and drag AF, so if you're going to use the electronic viewfinder, the camera doesn't have a joystick on the back like a 5D Mark IV, so you can quickly change your autofocusing points by simply dragging your thumb on the LCD screen. If we look on the top of the camera, you're going to notice a heads-up display. This is going to give you all your shooting information, like your shutter speed, aperture. If you're shooting in the video mode, if you're shooting in the photo mode, it's customizable. Also, let's not forget, you have a multifunction touch bar. This is new to Canon, but it's also new to any type of camera. It's fully customizable, and you can customize it within the camera's menu. The Camera features one memory card slot that is UHS-II compliant for fast read and write speeds, which means that you'd be able to record 4K footage, also shoot in RAW and continuous high. Now it's also backwards compatible. That means that you can also use UHS-I cards when you're going to record stills and standard high definition video. Included when you purchase this bundle from Digital Goja, you're going to get 2 memory cards, so you're going to be ready to shoot as soon as you get the camera. The camera features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This allows for easy connectivity to your mobile device. This allows you to share and transfer photos really quickly. It also allows you to control the camera via your mobile device. You also have the ability to transfer geotag location data from your phone. For power, the camera uses the LPE6N battery. This is commonly found on cameras like the 5D Mark IV. It's rated for about 400 shots, but what I found is that you can pretty much shoot all day with a fully charged battery. There's an optional battery grip that you can also purchase for the camera, allowing you to use 2 batteries for extended shooting times. For all you multimedia artists and videographers out there, the camera is capable of recording 4K ultra high definition video at up to 30 frames per second. What's new to this Canon camera is the fact that you can record in C-Log. This is great if you're going to want to color grade. Now it's 8-bit internally to your SD card. Now if you want to record 10-bit, you're going to have to get an external recorder and use the clean HDMI signal out from the camera to the recorder. You also have a very high bit rate for your video. You can record up to 480 megabits per second in all-I. Also, you have the capability of recording 1080p with the full width of the sensor at up to 60 frames per second. If you want to record 120 frames per second, the camera records it at 720p. This kit includes the 24-105 f4L USM. This is the brand new RF lens from Canon. It's the first L-series lens to feature a nano USM motor. This is going to give you fast and quiet AF, so it's going to be great for shooting video. The range is great for landscapes and anybody that's doing any travel photography. What's different from this lens from previous 24-105s is the fact that it has a physical control ring on it. Now this allows it to be programmed to change your aperture, ISO, shutter speed, or exposure compensation really quickly. Now it has click stops. If you're concerned about shooting video, you can send the lens over to Canon. They'll declick it for you for a nominal fee. Lens features 18 elements in 14 groups. You have full-time manual focus override. You have the ability to get as close as 1.48 feet from your subject matter. Manual focus is going to be focused by wire. The lens is also stabilized. You have about 5 stops of stabilization. And this is going to be a great feature for videographers since the EOS R doesn't have in-body stabilization. If you're looking to travel with this camera and lens, the lens is weather sealed at all the critical parts. It accepts 77mm screw-on type filters and includes a bayonet lens hood. Speaking about filters, included with the bundle from Digital Goja are 3 of the most popular filters. You get your UV circular polarizer and ND filter inside a nicely padded pouch. The camera and the lens combo weigh exactly 3 pounds, and included with our bundle from Digital Goja, you're getting an Altura Photo rapid fire neck strap and wrist strap, which will make it more comfortable to carry and secure. In addition, you'll receive a 62-inch monopod from Altura Photo to keep your camera stable when shooting stills and video. You'll get a cleaning kit for keeping your camera clean after a long day of shooting. So in addition to all these great accessories, you're going to also receive the premium Altura Photo Sling camera backpack. This is going to help you protect and store all your camera gear and accessories. All you have to do is click on the link below to purchase this exclusive camera bundle. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Canon EOS R with the 24-105mm f4 lens. This starts a whole new era in the Canon mirrorless lineup. And we're going to be here for the ride. We're going to have more videos, unboxings, overviews, and first looks, and much, much more. If this video helped you out, hit us up with a like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you're in the Miami area, come by, say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video, folks.